Hello and welcome to a brand new episode of Joe Sent Me. My name is Joe and I am your host for today. Today I've got a very special package. It came to me from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, and I am super excited and honored to be one of the first people to have this. And I'm going to open it up for you right now and show it to you. All right. Now, for those of you who don't already know, Justin Frederico, he is a perfumer. He's done perfumes for my buddy Near Guy in Philadelphia for Perfumology. He is the perfumer behind all of the perfumes for Perfumology. So Justin decided, hey, I'm going to come out with my own brand. And ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to introduce you to the very first Justin Frederico perfume, or Frederico Parfums perfume, called Blooming Amber. And I'm so excited about this because it just launched on Sunday. Let me check my clock here. Yeah, Sunday the 24th. Sunday the 24th. So I'm excited because it's available now. You can purchase it, and I'm very happy for him because if you know and love his work with Perfumology and his work with Black Cliff Perfumes, then I'm excited for you to experience this. So here we go. I'm unboxing and testing it out, and I want to show you what it's like. Box is pretty, it's pretty straightforward. Nothing crazy, nothing too fancy. And for some people, you'd probably say to yourself, well, I'll get rid of the box. I keep my boxes, all of them. I don't care how flimsy they are, I keep them. What's really cool about this box is that it reveals all your note breakdown right here. And you also have a little bit of the brief that explains what you're about to experience. Now, this is an eau de parfum. He also sent me 2 samples right here. I'm just going to save these and give these away because I'm going to go ahead and spray the bottle right here. Stock bottle, very Fragonard style bottle. And you have your Blooming Amber written right there, paper label. And who knows, maybe this will be the final production bottle. It may be changed. But for now, it is this is a house that is, this is his first. This is his baby. So just wanted to share this with you, this moment. It's very exciting. Justin wrote me a letter here. Not going to read it to you. And then we do have the brief right here, which I will read to you. So first things first, let's spray it because I'm excited. I'm doing a first impression. And of course, I will be wearing this on skin. But today, I'm just going to do the first impression on paper. First impression, let's see what this is beautiful. Folks. Oh, this is beautiful. I definitely pick up on the honey in this. There's honey in this. Oh, it's so intoxicating. Folks, here we go. Blooming Amber is a plush solar fragrance which floats up to the skin. Effervescent citruses, a caress of coriander, herald its voluptuous, honeyed heart, resplendent with tender florals. As Blooming Amber develops, all of its elements nestle into a velvety base laden with gossamer, amber, musk, and moss. Diffusively warm and downy, it leaves a long, lasting, and refined trail in its wake, which captivates in all seasons. The top notes are mandarin and orange. Middle is honey, lily of the valley, jasmine, lavender, neroli. In the bottom, we have amber, musk, vanilla, cashmere, patchouli, and green moss. Now, I will say, on paper, I'm picking up a massive dose of honey. Without a doubt, a massive dose of honey. Now, the rest of the florals, the lily of the valley, the jasmine, and the lavender, those are also playing along with this thing and giving it sort of this very intoxicating honey floral fragrance. and the amber, musk, vanilla, cashmere, patchouli, the green moss, it's paper testing, so I'm not getting too much of that. It may do more of that on the skin as it dries down, but for me, the star of the show is definitely the honey. So if you like honey, put this one on your list. I am getting into perfumes now lately with honey. I've wore several right now with honey, and I am really getting into it. So I'm excited to see what this does on the skin. I know he did a sort of a pre-launch at Perfumology. There's a few lucky folks who got a chance to experience this in person, got a chance to meet Justin himself. And I hope someday I do get to meet him. He's a wonderful man. I got a chance to spend several hours on the phone with him, talking to him over several times. And I just love what he's doing. And I am excited and happy for him. This is a great, great first launch. And I hope that you guys will take advantage of this. I am going to look up the price because I should have looked at that up before I did anything. So let's go to Frederico Parfums. He just launched the website, parfums.com, I think. Let's go. Frederico Parfums. There it is. Frederico Perfume. And I know this is on I think you could get this at Perfumology. Let me just go to Perfumology and do it from there. Perfumology, I'm sure, would have this because after all, they are the house that started it all, you know. And I love Perfumology. I love Near Guy. If you're a fan of Perfumology, man, these guys are just great. So let's look up Frederico real quick. Frederico. Well, of course, it's pulling up all of the other perfumes. Bliss, Lima, Clutch, Sudute, Limewood Grange. There it is. Blooming Amber, first edition. $85. I told you I was not prepared. I should have been. $85 available right on Perfumology. It's already sold out, but Blooming Amber is $85, I believe, on Perfumology. Man, that might have been the first edition, but if you go, I'm going to include the link, so hopefully this doesn't sound like I've wasted your time here. But if this sounds like something you like, let me know in the comments below. What other honey perfumes are on your radar? And put some on my radar too. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you again in another video. Take care and have a great